How to change Canva website URL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can change Canva website URL. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, log in into canva.com. Now you have to go to your projects and open up your published website. Now once you have opened up your website design that you have created, now to change its URL, navigate to top right corner, click on Publish Website button here. You'll get this pop-up in your interface. So this is your site URL. So here, if you have used the Canva free domain, that is my.canva.site. So to change the URL, click on this pencil icon next to it. Now you'll see this text field where you could customize the last part of the URL under your free domain. So you could only change the last part of your URL. The first part will remain the same. Now to change the last part, you can add another name. So here I can just add it. Here, as you can see, this name has been added at the end of this URL. So the last part of the URL will be changed. Once you're done with that, now you can click on Republish to update your live site. And there you go, now the name has been changed. As you can see right here, the URL has been changed where the last part of the URL had been added. That's it. That's the way to change the website URL on Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.